Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Barbarian. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass. And this is a pretty simple drink. We're going to do 1 shot of blackberry brandy. There we go. And we're going to fill it the rest of the way with good old root beer. So if you're looking to have something that has a nice blackberry root beer flavor to it, then go to the bar and ask for a Barbarian. Feel free to tear your shirt off while asking for it, flex your muscles, just do pretty much whatever you want, because Barbarians don't really care what anyone thinks. So once we've got it stirred up, feel like it's mixed up real nice, that should be good. There we go. And go ahead and set up a glass. Give it a pour. And a straw. Give out a big yell. And bottoms up.